So in this folder, we did a dump files. So we have a WannaCry RAM dump, and then we dump the files from that WannaCry RAM dump. So we do have the ability to look at the reports, and this is going to give a list of content related to the hashes and the files that were captured. So again, by default, we do have HTML put as text to minimize some of the potential risk. But here we have, again, an agency logo, all the files with the hashes associated with those files. So again, you could manually go through here. And let's do that real quick. Okay, looks like we did find one. So here, again, you're looking for anything that sticks out, stands out. Again, you could brute force it going from this report. However, I'll show another way. It does take a little bit longer, most likely, but will allow you to scan and walk away. So within CSI Linux, we do have clamscan, and ClamTK. TK is the GUI interface for Clam, so that's why it makes it a little bit slower. Go ahead and go into Case, Evidence, RAM, WCRY, and then Dumpfiles. So this is the folder that we're going to want to scan. I think it might have chosen the scan file. So if you knew the file, yes, that would work. This one would be a little bit better because we want to do the entire dump file. So again, go to RAM. Then this dump files folder. This is one we want to scan. At this point, this is where you hurry up and wait. So get coffee, take a break, take a lunch, maybe go on vacation, depending on how many files are in the folder and subfolders. But I'll go ahead and time warp and pause this video. Now we do see it's finally finished, and we have 5 possible candidates for potential malware. So that's one of the easiest ways to essentially pull content out of RAM and then see if there's potential malware outside of going to full force reverse engineering.